something from Amazon. Recognize that? Hey guys, good morning. This is Jennifer at Jen Spice and Jentle Soaps, and we are opening up something from Amazon. Recognize that? Free shipping. Gotta love it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Hopefully something for my soap making. Oh yeah. So, fun stuff for Easter. Whoop, whoop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Super cute. Check it. Oh, those are cute little bunnies. You know me, I love everything bunny and bunny related. And this is for a very special project. I sincerely hope it works. This is already planned out. I know what I'm going to do with this one. This one, I'm not sure if they're the right size or not, but we're going to have a play with them. Same with these, but we've got some different things going on. It's going to be super fun. So look for them in March and April. Yeah. Yay! If you have any ideas of what you think I should make with these, please leave a comment in the box below. And you just might get a soapy card in the mail if I can fit it in an envelope. Or a soapy sample, whatever works. If I make what you suggest, and if you want one. Yeah, this is super fun. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.